A sleek white shell, sculpted for airflow, slides away to reveal the PlayStation 5's hidden architecture. Dust-catching channels line the interior, engineered to trap particles before they reach sensitive electronics, a silent guardian against time and use. Subtle overlays label the shell's vents and intake zones, emphasizing Sony's focus on longevity and maintenance. A smooth pan draws us toward the expansive cooling system. The PS5's oversized fan dominates the frame, its curved blades engineered for quiet, efficient airflow. On-screen text notes how the fan pulls cool air through the console, channeling it across the massive heatsink. The camera traces the airflow path, highlighting the intricate copper fins and vapor chamber, every contour designed to tame the heat of powerful hardware. Zooming in, the heart of the system, the custom motherboard and APU. Here, a shimmering layer of liquid metal catches the light, a rare, premium cooling solution that transfers heat away from the processor with remarkable efficiency. An overlay explains that this innovation allows for higher performance within a compact frame, while minimizing thermal risks. Finally, a close-up reveals the compact power supply, set apart in its own insulated enclave. This compact fortress shields the system from electrical surges, maintaining stable energy flow for every component. Storage bays and expansion slots are quietly noted, positioned for easy upgrades. Every detail hints at a larger purpose, a balance of power, silence, and reliability. One small change here prevents a massive overheating problem.